So this is a very important number here for everybody to know. She had no idea she could keep her home, her whole farm, adjacent property. We call it curtilage. Like, we can keep the primary residence. It's called non-countable. We'll get to that. And another $123,600. So I said, keep the barn money. You're fine. You're only at $60,000 here. So this is one of the reasons that drives me to speak before various groups and teach at HCC, because there's so many people really suffering out there because they don't know these rules, which hardly anybody knows, because it's so complex. It's such a specialized area. So what can be kept by the community spouse, that's a spouse at home if a person is married. They can keep the home, the $123,600. The spouse in the nursing home keeps $2,000. And then the other non-countable assets include one automobile, et cetera, et cetera. But notice that one on the bullet there, just above I call it the magic numbers here, because that's when we get under those magic numbers, that's when Mass Health will pay the nursing home bill. So when someone's already in the nursing home, we're getting down as fast as we can through other techniques you're going to learn about today. But where it says assets needed for support, this year, my client she was the community spouse, her husband was in a nursing home, and she had a primary residence. That's easy, that's non-countable. She also had an apartment building worth $600,000 that I was able to save for her because we proved to Mass Health that she needed the rent from the 3 renters in the 3 units. She needed that income for her support. And that gets overlooked sometimes when people on their own or trying to fill out these Mass Health applications. We can keep additional assets if we can prove to Mass Health they need it for support, and she needed this rental income.